I think that really good data teams have a strategy and are trying to build towards something. And Looker is really the cornerstone of our strategy, because we feel like when we contribute to Looker and when we build out the model, we're not only helping answer the question at hand, but we're helping answer future questions by having a better tool in place and by having just a higher velocity mechanism for answering these questions. My name is Justin Krause. I build platforms, tools, and data for the business teams here at Asana. We build collaboration software that enables teamwork without email. Before Looker, Asana was using primarily in-house tooling that we built. And it was sort of reaching the limitations of how we could scale that. We chose Looker because we wanted a solution that was both really flexible for developers and for working with our data model, but also really seamless and good for data consumers here at Asana. Putting Looker into place here at Asana has really enabled us to do more of the fun stuff, the actual data dives, the data analysis. We have to think less about doing ad hoc queries or answering simple one-offs that just require something that we already did in the past. Looker allows us to save all the things we've done in the past, make it super shareable so that the insights we come up with, we can share them, and it just gives us a ton of leverage. So probably the biggest use case for Looker at Asana right now is the finance team using Looker to disaggregate our revenue data and basically disaggregate our growth. So trying to understand where we're growing well, where we're adding customers, and slicing by a ton of different factors. What are they buying? What plan size are they buying? Where are they from? What industry are they in? All of these things in Looker are pretty trivial. You just, add a dimension, you pivot by something, and then you have all the data right there. One of the most challenging questions that every business has to answer is pricing. But we recently did a pricing update where we changed the tiers that we were selling and we changed our prices. And before we did that, we did this huge data dive into Looker. And that gave us a ton of confidence and kind of awareness of, where the elbows are in terms of where people upgrade or where they feel friction. And that really informed this massive business decision for us.